myself a nice little fishing lure. Steel plate, another steel plate, 3 steel plates. Pulled out. There's a little jig and a hook. Got a piece of angle iron and the infamous train brake. Octagon metal. Ferris bike. Some kind of strapping. Fish line on it. Chain with some kind of hook setup on it. Steel bar. That's about it. On an old fishing reel. A piece of plate steel. just pulled this big, massive, monolith piece of metal out of the ground. And it literally looks like a big chunk of steel ingot or molded metal. Okay, we are down by Ann Street in Grand Rapids. We were throwing off that bridge right there. We spotted something from up top, so my son got down. He's down in the water right now by the river. And we found a metal box down there. He's pulling it up right now. Looks like possibly an old cash register maybe, or a security box or something. He's pulling it up. We'll have a little better video when he gets up here with it.
It is like 30 pounds. No! Heavy. Key locked on it.
Get it up here, Zan.
Here you go. I can't reach the high with this, it's too heavy.
There's a close-up of what it is.
That's what we found. And it looks like it was from a bar. From a brewing company.
Flip the face up.
Huh?
Flip the front up.
And there's a lock on it. I'll pry this open first. So I don't want to damage too much. I like it.
Looks like somebody already pried it there.
Well, there you go. Oh wow. That's easy. Let me get this side.
Hey, there's a penny.
Ooh, hey! No, not unopened.
Oh, it could have been wedged in the front drawer.
We got a penny out of that. I don't know if you can see very well. But hey, there we go. 1987. Doesn't look like it's been broken into. There we go. Stole it from a bar, for sure.
Yep. Empty cash register.
But hey, we got one.
Yeah.
Pull this thing out, see if there's anything in the back.
Got some papers.
Receipt things.
Probably instructions on the cash register.
Oh, here, I'll hold this up. There is the inside, empty besides a penny.
Bunch of mud.
Maybe it's been there for a while. Okay guys, so we just got back from our trip and this is all the things we found. So let's start with this steel ingot. It's huge and there's writing engraved on the top. We're trying to find out what that is. But it's heavy. It has to be like 40 pounds easily. Now let's go to this buckle right here. Real nice find. And then we have a chrome plate. And then we have a train pin. You see a little pinhole right there. And then we have a chain with that. There's writing right here. Or not writing, but words. Then there's a reel. This fishing reel, and it has this weird little trigger thing right here. And by the way, it does still move. Then we got 2 lures.